Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sereni here, back with another video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned in for future content like this and more. And also follow me on all socials at HeySiri _ on Twitter. Now we're not in the bag along talking, so let's get into this video. Video guys, I will be doing prank calls on my contact list. Now my contact list is just like this, like literally, I'm not even exaggerating, it's like this. So in order to improvise, we will be combining my contact list with my sister's contact list, and we'll be having a little fun making up storylines as we go along. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So first caller, Sharice is finding the first caller for me. This is about to be so funny. She hasn't noticed my voice. You don't think so? Are you ready? Ready? Shh. It's mute. Hello?
Yeah.
Hi, is this Kamoy?
Hello?
Is this Kamoy?
Yeah.
I got your number from one of my nanny friends. I would like to talk to you on a job.
What, Daddy? Okay.
Yeah, so I have about like 10 kids and
It's ready.
oh my god! Shoot! Me didn't know. I knew it. So come for bye. Guys, me know it. Like, me never. You know people know your voice. She know my voice. She would get it. Alright guys, so I really tried like downloading an app so you could disguise my voice, but that not works. So I'm just go run with it. You understand? Next person I'm going to prank is my cousin Shakira. She has a skincare line. She has a salon out in Queens, Brush by Shakira. So I'm going to prank her that, hey, I made an appointment and that never worked out. Some along that lines, guys. Stay tuned, okay? Ready? Ready. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, is this Shakira?
No.
Is this Brush by Shakira then?
Yes.
Okay, so I made an appointment, and me just don't understand how my appointment never pulled through the other day. I'm paying my deposit and everything.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not hearing me, my girl?
I'm hearing you now.
Alright, so I say, I booked my appointment the other day, and I realized when I come, my appointment never pulled through, and I pay my deposit, and I just can't get no form of information on this. What kind of business this, man?
May I ask who I'm speaking to?
Yeah, speak to Michelle.
Michelle?
Yes.
When did you book your appointment?
I booked my appointment for last week, you know.
Last week when?
Friday. Just hurry up. Yeah, get me really upset right now. Like this make me feel really detrimental.
You know, say I go on till it go on till me just do something very detrimental.
I can help you, but you need to calm down. I'm gonna hang up the phone.
Oh God. Hang up on me? Really, miss? May I support your business for all long?
I'm here trying to help you. I don't know what happened, and I'm trying to get to the bottom of it. But you need to calm down right now. I will hang up my phone.
Shakira?
This is Shauna, not Shakira.
Oh, can I talk to Shakira, please?
Who is this?
Her cousin.
Okay, well, Shakira is a little bit busy right now, so you're gonna have to call back.
And I
And I oop. And I oop. Oh my God, I think she's calling. Is this her? Yeah. Hello? Hi, Shakira.
You know, say I'm probably about me, but I just said, okay, then, you know, I'm fine to be go watch.
Really? Oh gosh. Right? Why? No, Sasha, we really out of this? This serious, you know? This really serious.
Who can't please do that, nobody? If I get my brain good now.
Me know. Me go call Nashima. Give me Nashima number. Put in on this. Put in on this. Me say put in on this. Guys, I can do better at the acting. Let me do better. Let me get into character.
Yeah, get into character, bitch.
Right. She a gonna know my voice.
What do you want to say?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, this is Samantha Riggers from your university. I just want to update you that you... Alright, bye. Come over on phone. Sure. I could have played along, you know. Oh gosh, man. Bye.
You want Carlos?
Oh.
Answer what though?
Yo.
Say, hey, I got your number from Margaret. No. Hey, I got your number from Stacy. And I was wondering if you can do a pickup for 15 people. Yes, girl.
For one, make it big. Out there, outrageous. 15 people sound a little bit. Like 25. 30.
Wait, really? I want my drive wash it.
Hey guys, so the next person is Carlos. Carlos is like a brother to us. He carries us around. He's very cool. He's very chill. So we want to do something while we get him out on the Grammy side though.
Tell him to lie, secret admirer.
Tell him that I'm his secret I'm married. That's what Sherry said. Carlos, answer.
Current Constructions, hello?
Hi,
Hey,
is this Carlos?
speaker.
This is Rachel. You brought me in your taxi the other day, and I just want to say how much like I've been falling for you ever since, and I can't get you off my mind.
What?
I've been falling for you ever since, and I just can't get you off my mind.
Okay. I guess I'm humbled. I guess. I don't know who this is, though.
Yeah, Rachel. I don't think you'll remember me, but it was like a couple months ago, and like I bucked up on your number the other day, and I was like, I just had to call you today.
Oh, okay. That's great, Rachel. But, yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Thanks.
Thanks? That's just it. Like, what can we do about that, you know? I want to get to know you more.
Hey, I know this. That just made me know who this is now. Yeah, that voice right there just made me know who this is. Why y'all calling me messing with me?
What are you talking about?
Yo, my G. Yeah. Yo, hold on. Let me. Somebody try to sign on. Yeah, let me hit you, bro. Hello.
Hello?
All right. Yeah. See, I don't know who's trying to catfish Nick, but I mean, like I said, I feel that.
Listen, I don't know what you're talking about, but I'm not trying to trick you right now. I just want to get to know you. Like, I want to take you out on a date and, like, flourishing some Dior and stuff. You know, I want to get to know you.
No, you sound like a sis. You say a couple words that only she say like it, and she. No. Hold.
Nah, this ain't no prank, you know? Like, this is some real shit right here. Yeah, OD.
That's nice. Hold on one second. Hold on. Don't hang up.
It's Carlos just called me. It's from my YouTube channel. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Carlos,
Yeah.
me can't believe you. Like, why everybody figuring out it's me?
I don't check a road. Nobody can just come through and do topic on that strawberry.
Oh my god. Alright guys, so this next caller is Sydney Watson, my baby, you know, my friend. So let me try. We come with the storyline, swift like when I lick my head. Oh shit. My car's straight. My girl not answer. She hung up. My girl hung up.
Jano.
What's my camera? Guys, we don't have much contact, so it kind of.
Should I can prank this one?
We can't prank her. This off iPhone.
FaceTime?
FaceTime audio.
But she never said that. Oh, no, she don't know the number. Oh. Gotcha.
Okay, guys, so the next person we're pranking is my sister, Chrisanne. What want me to say?
Going like on recording. Is your are your doors locked? On your way.
Hello?
Are your doors locked?
Hello?
Are your windows open? Because if not, you're going to be dead in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What the heck?
Where does door?
I don't know. Maybe I try to scare her, but someone's like, hello? Hello? Like, oh my god.
Now I eat it, you know. I'm a big idiot.
Are your doors locked? Are your windows open? Are you dead? That's it for this video. That's a wrap. And I would like to say thank you guys for once again tuning back in and watching my video. If you have not yet watched last week's video, go ahead and watch it, okay guys? And also, if you guys would like a part 2 to this video and you would like me to prank someone for you, go ahead and slide in my DMs and send the storyline, send the number, send, you know, a little something make can go off, and I will surely make a part 2 if you guys would like that. And that's just about it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for future content like this and more. And I'll see you next weekend in my next video. Bye.